everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at how to talk about anything related to time in Yiddish. What season is it? Which month is it? What's the date and time? I'll be explaining all that and more in this video, so hang on tight and get ready to learn some Yiddish. Let's begin with words relating to different measurements of time. Ayur. Ayur. A year. Zat van een uur. Zat van een uur. A season. Chodesh. Chodesh. Month. Woch. Woch. Week. Tug. Tug. Day. Shoe. Shoe. Hour. Minute. 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 Sekunde. Sekunde. Second. Here are some other helpful words when talking about time. Jetzt. Now. Früher. Earlier. Später. Later. Bald. Soon. Vorige. Last. Nächste. Next. Hand. Today. Nächten. Yesterday. Eiernächten. The day before yesterday. Morgen. Tomorrow. Übermorgen. The day after tomorrow. The four seasons, or the 4 Zeiten van een jaar, are winter, winter, Herbst, fall, Frühling, spring, and Zimmer, summer. When speaking about the year, we often refer to the lunar year linked to the Hebrew calendar. But when speaking about the Gregorian year, we would say it as so. It is now the year 2024. Es ist jetzt die Jahr 2024. The abbreviation 2024 cannot be used in Yiddish. The months of the year go as following: Januar, Februar, März, April, Mai, Juni, Juli, August, September, October, November, December. Although many Yiddish speakers use the lunar Hebrew calendar as well and refer to them commonly in Yiddish culture. Unlike the Hebrew calendar, we don't use gematria, a numerical system based on an alphabet letter's value on the Gregorian calendar. In this case, we use ordinal numbers. For example, the 15th of April, the 15th van April, the 8th of February, the 8th van Februar. This is how we say the days of the week in Yiddish: Zintig, Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Shabbos. And lastly, the times of day. Fartuks, dawn or early morning. Zefri, morning. Mittag, noon. Nachmittag, afternoon. Avond, evening. Nacht, night. Now what about time? To say o'clock, you would say azayger. 6 o'clock is sechs azayger. 10 o'clock is 10 azayger, and so on. Quarter past is kvadir noch. Quarter past 3, kvadir noch 3. Quarter past 8, kvadir noch 8. Half past is halb noch. Half past 11 is halb noch 11. Half past 9, halb noch 9. Quarter to is kvadir tzi. 1:45 is 1:45. 11:45 is 11:45. Any other time, we'd say it the same way. We'd say it in English. 4:57, 4:57. Although in this case, most people would use the word be'erich, meaning about, and say be'erich 5 about 5 o'clock. Here's an example of what it could look like when it's all put together. Jetzt ist 4:30 in the Abend auf Sonntag, the 3. November 2008. It is now 5:30 in the evening on Sunday, November 3, 2008. Jetzt ist 3:30 in dem Fatux auf Mittwoch, der 23. Juni 1991. Now it's time for some practice. I'll give you a sentence in English, and you can try to put together what it is in Yiddish based on the previous vocabulary. Feel free to pause the video for more time. And as usual, I'll leave a little cheat sheet at the corner of the screen. Today is Thursday, January 31, 2004. Hand is Donnerstag, der 31. von Januar 2004. Now it's 3:45 in the afternoon on Monday, March 17, 1988. Jetzt ist 4:15 in der Nachmittag auf Montag, der 17. März 1988. Yesterday it was Friday, December 16, 2015. Nächten ist gewesen Freitag, der 16. Dezember 2015. Last week it was April, now it is May. Vorige Woche ist es gewesen April, jetzt ist es Mai. Here it was 2023, now it is 2024. Vor ist es gewesen 2023. Jetzt ist es 2024. Now it is 3:15 in the morning. Is es 3:15 Fatux or in the Nacht. It is 8:30 in the evening. Es ist 7:30 in the Abend. It is 7:56 in the morning on Wednesday, September 13, 2011. Es ist 7:56 in dem Sefri auf Mittwoch, der 13. September 2011. That's it for today! How many of these exercises did you get right? Is there another topic you'd like to see me cover in Yiddish? Write it in the comments. Thanks for watching! Tak für die Dag, lehitraot, tschüss and auf Wiedersehen!